No, I have to leave now. These kind of insults. These
Not
kind
at
of,
all.
आप या तो ये कहानी बताते नहीं कैमरा ऑन होने से पहले।
Exactly.
आपको देखना चाहिए था कौन ये कहानी सुन रहा है।
It was just the most fleeting kiss of fingertips. I've then planned how to kill both of you. It's going to happen. 14th of September.
13।
The 13th is the screening.
अच्छा, उसके अगले दिन फिल्म रिलीज होते ही।
You're looking at my face.
Yeah.
Obsolete. Ancient.
Not at all.
That person is wearing aubergine.
Humongous failure.
Not purple.
98.3 मिर्ची से मेरा नाम प्रेरणा है। हम जितना हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं उतना हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर मी, क्योंकि जैसे ही मैं राहुल बोस से बात करना चाहती हूँ, मैं इम्प्रेस करने के लिए आई यूज बिग वर्ड्स, words like obsolete, ancient, hysterical.
Because those are the words that you're looking at my face.
Yeah.
Obsolete. Ancient.
Not at all.
That person is wearing aubergine.
Humongous failure.
Not purple.
Hysterical, wise, witty, fantastic cast of Berlin, which is only one, एक चौथाई, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं ये ब्यूटीफुल चीज को हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए।
Especially the
From
writer director
Z5.
Atul Sabharwal.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 13th of September, of course, we're going to watch all of this. But उससे पहले थोड़ी सी बातें, क्योंकि कॉन्स्टेंटली लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कितने मजे किए आपने, हो वाज द प्रैंकस्टर ऑन द सेट। लेट्स जस्ट दौड़ाते हैं आपकी थोड़ी सी जीके वाली नॉलेज को भी, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी डू ड्यूरिंग प्रमोशंस। वी आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस, yeah, and then you answer questions.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Okay,
Capitals of countries: Australia.
आप जरा हिंदी में बात करें तो हमें।
Okay.
Sydney. Sydney.
That's wrong.
Canberra.
Melbourne.
That's right. Okay. जापान का कैपिटल कौन सा है?
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Very good.
Okay, thank
Russia.
Moscow.
Very good. Albania.
Almaty is Kazakhstan. Albania.
Albania. It rhymes with Kirana, so it is Tirana. That's okay. That's fine. Okay. China.
Beijing.
Beijing.
Germany.
Berlin.
That's right.
Thank God, finally पहुंच गए
Oh,
Berlin
we
पहुंच
saw
गए।
what you did there.
Oh
Thank
my
you.
Sorry,
God.
हमने आप क्या कर रही थी हमने देखा।
कई सारे स्पाई थ्रिलर्स हैं हमारे पास में, कुछ फिक्शनल हैं, कुछ रियल लाइफ पे बेस्ड हैं। देयर इज डी डे, देयर इज नाम शबाना, देयर इज जूल थीफ, देयर इज बर्लिन। आपको क्या लगता है तब से लेके अब तक कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें बदली हैं फॉर द गुड इन अ स्पाई थ्रिलर जॉनर? इशफाक, आपसे स्टार्ट करते हैं।
I think as a film, Berlin is very unique. You know, it doesn't. I couldn't place it in मतलब जैसे आप normally किसी section में उसे डाल सकते हैं, or there's a immediate, recall value a film has. आपको लगता है this is, similar to that. Okay, I see where this filmmaker is going. With Berlin, it is very fresh. It is very new. At the same time, जो इसमें mostly foreground में रहता है. I mean, while there is, it keeps you on the edge of your seat, keeps you thinking. You have that, get that thrill. But it's a human story. It's a very beautiful. और जैसे, I mean, it's like good poetry. How it kind of with very little makes good impact. There's very little dialogues and मतलब little तो नहीं कहूँगा, but जितनी ज़रूरत है उतनी बात कही जाती है. And it is again shows the craft of writing. I think very very. Again, the special thing about Berlin is the brilliant mind behind it, which is Atul Sabharwal.
Yeah.
Masterful writer, director.
ये अदरवाइज सोचना मुश्किल है बहुत। जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे आपको लगेगा कि यार ये इतने और ये ताना बाना कैसे बिठाया उन्होंने। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट एट द सेम टाइम। शुड आई वेट फॉर एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक जो आप कह रहे थे कि बदलाव क्या आया है, हमने पहले ना चीज़ें बहुत ओवर कमर्शलाइज करके बताई हैं ऐसी कहानियाँ। Now there is a story which has been told in a very pure, organic way, and that's Berlin for you. And I think Ishwak, Rahul sir, me, and writer-director Atul Sabharwal or Z5Z Studios, I think we all will always be very proud of what we have made, and touch wood, we are very happy with what we have made.
Anything जो आप ऐड करना चाहेंगे?
एक चीज़ अक्सर स्पाई थ्रिलर का एक फॉर्मूला होता है। ख़राब लोग, अच्छे लोग, गुड गाइज, बैड गाइज। Bad guy wants to rule the world or take over the world or detonate the world. Good guys are trying to save the world. लेकिन बर्लिन में ऐसा नहीं है। ऐसा नहीं है कि एक आइडेंटिफाइबल विलन है या विलनस एक्ट होने वाला है जिसके प्रति हम तीन वी आर फाइटिंग एट। ज़रूर एक सस्पेक्टेड स्पाई है, एक इंटरप्रेटर है और एक रॉ एजेंट है, लेकिन बहुत जल्द आपको महसूस होता है कि यार हु इज़ गुड एंड हु इज़ बैड हियर. सो इन तीनों के बीच में आप फिर आपके लॉयल्टीज जेम्स बॉन्ड के साथ होंगे ना इन अ जेम्स बॉन्ड फिल्म, बट हियर यू आर वंडरिंग मैं कहाँ पे जाऊँ, वेयर डू आई, एंड योर लॉयल्टीज कीप शिफ्टिंग. उस तरीके से फिर क्या होता है फाइनली, ऑफ कोर्स इन द सेकंड हाफ यू आर क्लियर वेयर योर लॉयल्टीज लाई. इट इज़ दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. तो जैसे इशफाक ने शायद नहीं कहा लेकिन कहा कि इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू डिफाइन बर्लिन. एक तरफा इट्स अ साइकोलॉजिकल thriller you can call it, on the other side it's a straight up spy story,
Yeah.
and if you mix the two I think you get Berlin.
Also, one thing that we are not going to miss from the spy thrillers जो हमने पहले देख रखी हैं कि जब सही में हाइस्ट होने वाला होता है या जो कुछ होने वाला होता है, there's a song so that we get distracted with what exactly is happening in the background, and I'm just, it's nice, it's clean.
Yeah.
So we don't know how clean or messy it is until we watch it.
No, there
Yeah.
is a song.
There is a song.
I have sung a song. At the climax point
He's running around the trees and lip syncing it.
I start singing.
Yeah,
Which is good. Which is anyone in the chiffon sari?
नहीं वो अंडर अ वाटरफॉल वो मैंने अलग फिल्म में की है. इसमें आई थिंक इट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर पीपल टू, देयर वाज अ बिग डिमांड
Yeah.
दैट इन दिस राहुल बोस हैज टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग.
Yeah.
We
Also
also
because you
want
dance so naturally.
Where's my-
And Bosco
I have to
has
leave.
just
No, I have to leave now. These kind of insults. These
Not
kind
at all.
Huh?
You started it.
आप या तो ये कहानी बताते नहीं कैमरा ऑन होने से
Exactly.
पहले.
Exactly.
आपको देखना चाहिए था कौन कौन ये कहानी सुन रहा है.
आपके बॉस का टेलीफोन नंबर
जी।
प्लीज
बॉस
मुझे
को
दीजिए.
ही, बॉस को ही तो फोन करना है.
98200 आगे पीछे घूमो फिरो. All right, on to the next one. Rahul, during promotions, अगर आप सवालों से परेशान हो जाते हैं, do you say next question? Next question. How do you describe your annoyance in society in general?
What do you
If you have to.
My annoyance at society or
No,
in
no,
society?
no. अगर आप किसी चीज से annoyed हैं
जी
और आप एक पब्लिक फिगर हैं
जी।
या आप किसी से खफा हैं, कुछ गुस्सा है
जी।
काम कर रहे हैं, जनरली आपका क्या तरीका होता है अपना एंगर एक्सप्रेस करने का?
silence.
या
Anger only makes you say the wrong things that you'll regret later on. तो करीबन 10-15 साल हो गए. I just, when I fall silent, it's a danger sign.
no one wants that treatment from Rahul Bose.
It's not treatment.
Yeah.
It means that, not, I didn't mean danger sign. I meant, for me, it's
Disclaimer.
like, yeah, this is just, it's not a good time.
Yeah.
So it will be silence. If it's on messages, the messages will stop. If it's on the phone calls will stop. If it's in person, I'll walk away.
Wow.
I will not say a word. Because I know कि इस वक्त मेरे मुंह से जो निकलेगा, एक तो वो बहुत कड़वा होगा, and two, myself I will regret it later on because my anger lasts for about 13 to 14 seconds. Then it vanishes. And I forget that I was ever angry with you. So I've learned just let it go.
So 13-14 second patience is what the सामने वाला person needs to, otherwise everything is going to be fine. I mean, yeah,
And I
eventually.
actually count in my head.
Oh really?
Yeah. Mississippi 1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3, Mississippi 4. And sometimes it takes 30, 35, 60, but I keep counting.
Who drove you up to 60?
कौन ले गया 60 तक सर आपको? मेरी और इशफाक की बात तो नहीं हो रही है.
आप लोगों के साथ मैंने 6 पे at Mississippi 6.
फिर clock
हो गया था.
Yeah, I've बंद करके I have then said, I've then planned how to kill both of you. It's going to happen. 14th of September.
13th.
The 13th is the screening.
अच्छा, उसके अगले दिन फिल्म रिलीज होते ही
Just
ताकि हम दोनों को ये अवार्ड नहीं मिले, आप ही को मिले सारे अवार्ड. हमें है ही नहीं इस दुनिया में तो कौन सा मिलेगा?
नहीं, शायद आपको posthumous award मिले. आजकल देते हैं.
हैं.
For people who are dead and gone.
Yeah,
so
because-
I have to make sure that not only do I kill you, I kill all the juries.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then I'm
And me, then.
and you
later.
because you've heard this now.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, it's going to be a difficult world after the 14th of September. लेकिन उससे पहले इशफाक से पूछते हैं, रांझना, तुम बिन 2, तमाशा, अलीगढ़. It's been a very thorough journey for a sweet boy like you, and that sweet boy वाला scene is very very effective. Would you consider yourself to be sweet on a scale of 1 to 10? How sweet do you think you really are?
Ask them.
How much do you think? आपको क्या लगता है आप कितने
उसने asked them, पता है क्यों बोला इतनी conviction के साथ? क्योंकि हमें भी पता है कि वो 10 on 10 sweet है.
10 on
I disagree.
Excuse me?
One second.
Disagree.
He's noble.
जी
He's gentle.
जी
He keeps his counsel to himself.
He's innocent.
But to say, no, he's not innocent. But to say he's sweet is such an insult.
that's true.
Ishwak?
मैं पहले घबरा
Agreed.
गया,
To
मैंने
say
कहा पता नहीं
he's
क्या बोलने वाले
sweet.
हैं.
Yeah, I know. But you know, what does it mean? Like he's one of those slightly stupid, harmless kind of people who you can, kick around like a football. No.
No.
No, he's not.
Definitely not.
He's a dude.
He's a dude.
And more than that, na yaar, I mean, I think the simplicity in his overall approach in a personal professional setup is just amazing.
Yeah.
So sweet हो सकता है जो आप सर कह रहे हैं.
He's given me a coy high five, which you can't see on radio. Where even the sound didn't come. It was a light
Contact.
It was just the most fleeting kiss of fingertips.
Fleeting kiss.
A walking
Prerna, आप
poetry.
कुछ-
Like a butterfly's whisper.
Like a butterfly's
आप
whisper.
कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं, like doesn't matter, like a feather that just rustled around my ears. Ishfaq, I also want to ask you कि कभी आप auditions इस शब्द से था एक समय जब आप डरते थे, अब नहीं डरते हैं, कोई transformation हुआ है, from the start of your career to now?
No, I used to be very excited. I mean, I think that's the gateway to it's like an opportunity to get a part, and that's what every actor wants. I mean, you want to get cast,
जी.
you want a new job, and auditions have always got me excited. And I think it's the same now. It's there was a time, and still I feel like when you audition for a part and you get it, it's like you feel like you've earned it. और ऐसा सही नहीं है कि आप सोचो कि सिर्फ वही एक तरीका है कि अगर आपने ऑडिशन नहीं किया then you don't deserve the part, or you don't, it's not gonna work. I mean, this film, for instance, I didn't audition, but it's something that the maker saw. At the end of the day, the whole idea of auditioning is that I think I've come to realize that the filmmaker needs to have that faith in you. If he has it just by looking at you, he knows, yaar, ye kar lega. What is audition otherwise? How much can you gauge?
जी.
Tell me, in like 10 minutes or like one scene, ठीक है, एक sense हो जाती है. But there's so many times where I've been very sure of myself. I've gone to the set, the guy has just, and these are auditions I've cracked.
जी.
He's like, audition जो किया था ना, अब नहीं करना, अब ये करना. So he hasn't really picked me purely basis of the audition. There's other things. So that too, उन्होंने देख के लगा ये कर लेगा. And in case of where I haven't auditioned and I've gone to the set, some of them have just let me loose.
Yeah.
Do your thing. I'll give you a nudge here and there if you're off course. Or sometimes again, it's like, just turns it around. None of this. Don't want any of this. Do this. That is when they get to know if the actor is effective, because if he can adapt himself to the new situation. So
ये जो बात बोली ना यार आपने, ये हुआ है मेरे साथ भी कि ऑडिशन में जो किया है वो नहीं करना है. And it's funny that they pick you up for, they see something else in you. In the eyes or the eyebrows or I don't know what, in the face, that you think, okay, this is the guy who fits the character, who fits the bill. But चाहे इसने कुछ आधा पौना अलग सुर पकड़ा हो, ये नहीं
I
करना.
also feel they guess the ability.
Ability, yeah, that too.
Ability hai, he's not.
With eyes I meant.
I've directed 2 films.
जी.
I hate auditioning actors because it's like the most, for me, humiliating thing. To call an actor to audition, either you cast an actor or you don't. Right? But sometimes you have to, right?
Yeah.
Because पता नहीं अगर पूर्णा मुझे तेलुगु एक्टर्स से मैं वाकिफ़ नहीं था तो उनको बुला के ऑडिशन करना. इशफाक और अपार ने दोनों ने बहुत सही चीज़ बोली अभी कि आप एक ऑरा देखते हो, एक फील मिलता है, जस्ट सिटिंग एंड चैटिंग, नो लाइन्स, जस्ट टॉक, और एक स्पिरिट मिलता है. उसके बाद सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें मैं देखता हूँ. एक, कैन ही टेक डायरेक्शन
Yeah.
as opposed to resist. It's my film. Can the person take direction? And 2, does the person have capacity for pressure? फिल्मों में प्रेशर होता है, समय का प्रेशर, लाइटिंग, मार्क आपने नहीं रीच किया, 2 मिनट 2 टेक के बाद अगर आपके लाइंस फंबल हुए, बाकी एक्टर्स में रेस्टलेसनेस, impatience, एक
Yeah,
competitiveness, एक feeling of inferiority. I know it.
It's a very meticulous
Bosi,
job.
can I say something?
Really throws you off.
Of course आप मुझसे सीनियर हो यार, लेकिन in the past 7-8 years जब से मैं इस शहर में रहा हूँ या उससे पहले दिल्ली में जब थिएटर कर रहा था, I've never heard anyone do this analogy and be so clear cut and to the point.
So
about it's amazing.
तो मैं जो कहता हूँ is when an actor comes in and is doing something, I'm like, I'll give you an example. पूर्णा के लिए वो छोटी सी लड़की थी अदिति जिसे मैंने फाइनली कास्ट किया. मैंने अदिति से पूछा व्हाट्स द सैडेस्ट थिंग यू एवर हैड हैपन टू यू इन योर लाइफ. तो उसने कहा मेरे नाना जी मर गए थे, गुजर गए थे पिछले साल. मैं बहुत रोई और जैसे वो कह रही थी वो रोने लगी. उसके बाद मैंने कहा नाउ डू दिस सीन. कैन यू टेक डायरेक्शन अंडर प्रेशर.
क्या बात,
दैट्स इट.
क्या बात.
And on the set, once you've cast someone, every single film, both 2 films I've done, मैं कहता हूँ, you are fantastic. You are already doing a fantastic job. If you don't do a great job, it's me. I've cast you. If you don't do a great job in this film, it's on me. You just do whatever you have to. We're there. You're home. You've succeeded. You are incredible. Now just if anybody screws up, it'll be me.
Yeah.
So what do you have to worry?
Yeah.
And automatically the actor says,
Wow.
that's it, I'm done. You're done.
Yeah.
You change the lines, you do what you want, you're my favorite. Baki, you just leave to me, relax.
Yeah.
So do you think to bring out the best in the actor भी डायरेक्टर का ही काम है? I'm not taking any responsibility away from my deliverables.
But there's so many times जब
Absolutely.
हम as an audience भी ये discuss करते हैं, sorry to interrupt, कि अभिषेक बच्चन ने जो गुरु में किया, वो अभिषेक बच्चन ने कुछ ना कहूँ में नहीं किया.
I'm not saying the whole entire
In general-
burden rests on the shoulder of the director, but then if the actor is collaborative, willing to, give it his all, and he's capable, and still if there's you're still not cutting any ice, then maybe something is amiss somewhere, and it's not necessarily director. Maybe there's they haven't been able to do it together, is what I'd say.
प्रेरणा
because it
सिंपल
is
सी
a
बात है.
collaborative
इशफाक और अपार को देखो, कल को अगर वो कुछ परफॉर्मेंस करें जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा उनको क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि एक्टर बदल गया है, कि एक्टिंग टैलेंट अचानक कम हो गया है, कि गायब हो गया है. एक बंदा बैठा हुआ है, बंदी या बंदा जो है बैठा हुआ है, जो मात्र एक ही बंदा है जो कहता, जिस पे निर्भर है कहने के लिए यार इशफाक थोड़ा सा पिच को बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा कम करो, इजी टेक इट इजी, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. थोड़ा सा एंग्शियस हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Are you saying that he can't do it? I read so many times, and he was so over the top, it was irritating to see this performance. Why are you blaming the actor?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's unfair.
The director should have said, take it down. कितने बार मैंने कहा है कि देखो मैं एक पिच पे करता हूँ और एक अलग पिच था, एडिट में आप देख लो which one you want to use. Because I also understand what's going on. Don't blame me later on. तुमने ऐसा ही किया था तो मुझे इस्तेमाल करना पड़ा. So it's very, very, very important. But much more important than any of this, because I've been doing this since I was 6 years old, is to tell an actor that they are magnificent,
Yeah.
and that you just love anything and everything they do. Once the actor genuinely believes the fact that I'm safe, whatever I do, you don't make a fool of myself, I'm safe. This is an environment where the director has my back.
Yeah. Complete surrender.
In front of the whole unit.
Sure.
Then I'm telling you, actors will march to the end of the earth with
soar,
you.
actually. That's
Yeah.
when you soar.
They will shut their blood for you. If they know that you've got their back, what will they not do?
Sure.
What stops them is the fact that somebody will make fun of them. We are all insecure. We are scared that one day everybody on the set will point their finger and say you're a crap actor.
Oh God.
As much as I'd like to discuss this more, क्योंकि समय हमेशा कम पड़ता है, especially when there's such depth. क्योंकि हम हमेशा खी खा करते हैं, there's so much lol and funs all the time. But it's just
Kiki Kaka, I've learned 3 new things.
you're welcome.
Funs
You're
all the time.
welcome.
Funs all the time.
98200.
आगे पीछे घूमो फिरो. So many films are re-releasing. This is my final question. कौन सी फिल्म आप चाहते हैं कि फिर से थिएटर्स में आए? पिछले फ्राइडे को there was रहना है तेरे दिल में,
Gangs,
Gangs of Wasseypur 2, Tumbar.
Oh,
All
if we
these
had to.
There are
really,
many.
If there is any
Starting from
One.
Jewel Thief,
Jewel Thief, okay.
ending on Jo Jeeta Wo Second.
Okay, I like it. Yes,
Sholay.
Sholay.
Wow.
We had a special screening last Saturday. Yes.
And Jaane Bhi Do Yaar.
ओए जाने भी दो यारो,
nice,
I love
nice.
it.
Ishwak.
तो मेरे बीच में आ गई थी वो, हाँ,
जी।
Jewel Thief से जाने भी दो यारो.
बर्लिन रिलीज करो
वो तो रिलीज हो रही है ना 13 सितंबर को, फिर वापस 14 को री रिलीज करवाओ क्योंकि मर गए सारे.
Otherwise profile उस रानी.
No, they will be freezing the frame. This is the actor who died the day after the release. You know, Ishwak will come in. This is the actor who died.
It's also because it took so much time to release it, which is why I think it's
मुझे शोले I'd love to watch it and
फिल्मों में उतनी ही जा रही है शायद ज़्यादा जो एक otherwise you know the so-called commercial films if you want to call them and if you want to bracket this as real cinema. I don't know the correct you know and the politically correct sounding names for both
हमारे लिए
the,
तो
both the
content
worlds.
या अच्छा है या बुरा है
जो भी कहना चाहते हैं
जी,
आप,
जी.
जो भी कहना चाहते हैं.
सीनियर डायरेक्टर
With all due respect to Z5 and Z Studios, they gave us really good paraphernalia to create this. But of course, क्या जो वो paraphernalia गदर 2 में दे पाते हैं क्या यहाँ पर वो paraphernalia दे पाएंगे? नहीं मुश्किल है ना वो. तो इसलिए वो पैसे वो चीज़ें वो सारी बड़ी यू नो चीज़ें जहाँ पे होती हैं वो यहाँ पे नहीं होती हैं. फिर भी आपको वो मेहनत करनी होती है, रादर डबल करनी होती है बिकॉज दिस इज ये थोड़ा एक इस फिल्म में ज़्यादा क्योंकि साइन लैंग्वेज इज नॉट समथिंग विच comes with the craft of acting you know it's not
Learn अलग.
हाँ,
like it
एक
doesn't come with
plus one नहीं आता है वो साथ में ये है ना.
it's not a necessary skill for
Yeah,
an intelligence
yes,
officer.
absolutely. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे ज़्यादा मेहनत होती है और उसके बाद भी अगर आपको इन फिल्म के लिए आपको लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ रहा है कि आके देखें जहाँ मेहनत ज़्यादा हुई पड़ी है वहाँ लोग दिल टूटता है कि अगर लोग नहीं देखें.
एक चीज़ है मैं ऑडियंस के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होके बता सकती हूँ कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर हमें अच्छी लगी है ना 500% अपार शक्ति. मुझे ना रेडियो पे बात करने की आवश्यकता है, ना प्रमोशंस की आवश्यकता है, ना ये बातचीत, ना ये दोस्ती या अक्वेंटेंस, फन सेगमेंट, नॉन फन, डजंट मैटर. They will watch it. And Berlin will be that film. We will see it.
Thank you.
Here's hoping. And 98.3 Mirchi par Ishwak Singh, Rahul Bose, the very amazing Rahul Bose, and Apar Shakti Khurana for Berlin. ये फिल्म 13 को आ रही है. 13 को तेरी होने वाला.
ओए 13 को तेरी
So stay tuned. It's hot. And please like, share, subscribe this video.